Did you know that in September 2022, Brazil stated that it had banned the sale of iPhones without a power adapter? In a statement by Brazil's Ministry of Justice and Public Security said it has fined Apple $2.38 million. Brazilian consumer agency Senacon said Apple's decision not to include power adapters with new iPhones discriminates against consumers by selling an incomplete product. Apple will appeal against the ban. The company told Reuters in a statement it would work with Brazilian authorities to resolve their concerns, but added it has previously won several court rulings in Brazil on the issue. We are confident that our customers are aware of the various options for charging and connecting their devices, Apple said. The fine and ban on sales of iPhones without USB power adapters was announced a day before Apple showcased its new iPhone 14, 14 Pro and Apple Watch Ultra. São Paulo's Consumer Protection Agency fined Apple £2 million last year, saying the sale of iPhone 12 and every model since then violates consumer law because they don't come with chargers. Apple stopped including power adapters and headphones in iPhone boxes with the launch of iPhone 12 in 2020. It said the move, which came after first ditching power adapters from new Apple Watch boxes, would help reduce Apple's carbon footprint by making packaging smaller. Sometimes it's not what we make, but what we don't make that counts, said Lisa Jackson, Apple's Vice President of Environment, Policy and Social Initiatives, at Apple's 2020 September keynote. She added that there were already more than 2 billion official Apple power adapters out in the world. Senacon, which launched its case against the move last year, said Apple's arguments for removing USB power adapters from iPhone boxes on sustainability grounds were not enough. It said there was no evidence that removing chargers had environmental benefits. According to Brazil's Justice Ministry, Senacon said the company could have considered alternatives to reducing its environmental impact.